Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the incoming call to banner or the full screen in this device. So in this device I am going to make a call to this number. Then you can see now this is for the banner. Okay, in this device I set for banner. So let me show you. You can see this in the banner format. Now let me show you how to change this banner format to the full screen format. Let me cut this one. Yeah, this is very simple. For this, go to settings, scroll down at the bottom. You can see the option apps. Tap on this one. Then from the list of application, you need to select the application phone. Yeah, you can see. Now here you can see the option incoming calls. Now the banner format is selected. So here I am going to select this to full screen. Now again I am going to make a call to this number. Now you can see it is in the full screen mode. You can see, right? So simply in this way you can set the incoming call to banner mode or the full screen mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.